In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Power BI pages. If you've ever built a report with a few work-in-progress visuals or utility pages that feed other visuals, you know not every page needs to be visible to your audience. Hiding pages lets you keep your workspace tidy and your viewers focused on what matters, without deleting anything or disrupting your design. Start by looking at the bottom of the Power BI interface. This is where you'll find the Pages area, which shows a row of tabs for every page in your report. Each tab represents one page. Think of them like sheets in a workbook. Scroll along if you have many pages, and identify the one you don't want viewers to see. Once you've found the page you'd like to hide, simply right-click its tab. A small menu will appear with a few options. Click Hide. That's it. Your page is now hidden. You'll notice a subtle visual indicator on the tab to show that it's hidden, so you can still find and work on it while editing. However, when the report is shared or viewed in reading mode, that page won't appear in the visible list of tabs along the bottom. Hiding a page is non-destructive, which makes it perfect for drafts, background data pages, or admin-only content. It doesn't break your visuals or bookmarks, and it doesn't change your data model. The page simply stops showing up for your viewers in the normal navigation. Keep in mind, though, hiding is about presentation, not protection. It's not a security feature. If you need to control who can access data, use proper permissions and row-level security. A quick best practice: name hidden pages clearly so you'll recognize them later. Labels like data staging or prototype can save time when you come back to refine your report. And remember, hiding helps you streamline your audience's journey. When fewer tabs are visible, people are more likely to follow the narrative you intended and spend time on the insights you've prioritized. If you ever change your mind, you can bring a hidden page back into view using the same right-click menu. It's reversible and safe, which is why hiding is a great way to iterate without clutter. And that's all there is to it. Head to the bottom Pages tab, right-click the page you don't want visible, choose Hide, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused report experience.